Introducing the Ion Science TVOC2. The TVOC2 is a second-generation fixed VOC gas detector, capable of detecting a wide range of volatile organic compounds to sub-ppm levels. Its mini PID2 sensor has the Ion Science patented fence electrode technology, which minimizes the effects of humidity and contamination. And its 10.6 EV lamp allows it to detect a wide range of volatile organic compounds gases. TVOC2 samples gas by diffusion. However, an alternative sensor cap allows for pipe connection and the ability to connect a pump. There are three selectable detection ranges: 0 to 10, 0 to 100, and 0 to 1000 ppm. Ranges are selected via a contact arrangement on the circuit board. TVOC2 has intrinsically safe certification, allowing it to be used in potentially explosive environments. Its certification also allows the sensor to be serviced without a hot work permit. The large, high-contrast LCD display clearly shows readings. 4 LEDs indicate functional status, and a single magnetic switch is used to step through the calibration routine. The 4 to 20 mA output offers a simple, reliable and flexible output that allows a connection to a vast range of DCS units, PLCs or data loggers. TVOC2 is typically used in the following industries: oil and gas, pharmaceutical and medical, food and beverage, universities and laboratories, manufacturing, semiconductors, and water treatment. Typical applications include general health and safety, environmental audits, breathing compressors, laboratory and cleanroom monitoring, chemical and product storage, research projects, filter breakthrough, and wastewater monitoring. TVOC2 is just one product from our fixed VOC gas detector range. See our website for more details. TVOC, reliable VOC measurement.